Samsung is going crazy with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is way too far from its official launch, but we are starting getting some confirmed news regarding the upcoming beast. Meanwhile, one of that news might be disappointed for users who want to get S23 Ultra. But we're still getting news that Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is going to hit the market in February next year along with S23 Plus and S23. But due to this chip shortage, we may see some changes left entertained. Although Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be the next big thing for the Samsung. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra or Z Fold 5. Which one would you prefer next year? According to Korean news, Samsung started making 200 megapixel main lens for the next year's Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is confirmed since Samsung released 200 megapixel lens last year in 2021, where now the production of the 200 megapixel is started, where Samsung distributed the production, where Samsung Electronics account for 30% and Samsung Mechanics account for 70%. And Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra could be the first ever phone to have the highest grade camera ever. While some rumors also indicating that Motorola Frontier has already in the game for 200 megapixel lens, let's see which one gets first. According to Anthony on Twitter, due to the chip shortage and various supply chain issues, we may see S23 equipped with a punch hole display. And this is a big disappointment, since we are starting getting news regarding the new edge-to-edge display with no camera hole on it. And S23 Ultra potentially come with UDC, under display camera, but it is not going to happen for now. Sad to hear this. Samsung started production of their 3nm chipset, which will eventually call Exynos 2300. But don't be excited, since according to the rumors, it will only offer very small CPU and efficiency improvements over Exynos 2200, and it cannot match the performance of the Samurai Gen 2. As we all know, Qualcomm launched TSMC-powered Samurai Gen 1 Plus, where now Qualcomm decided to go with TSMC instead of Samsung for Samurai Gen 2 for the next year processor. Another big improvement that we may see in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is its storage option, UFS 4.0. where you will get the double the amount of speed that you guys were getting in UFS 3.1, standing at 23.2 gigabit per second. And this storage will be expected to be adopted by automobile, AR, and VR as well. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below S23 Ultra or Z Fold 5. Which one would you prefer next year? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.